presentations. Introduction. Presentations made by assertive, self-confident people can achieve the desired outcome. What can be more confident building than giving a powerful presentation? Being prepared is the main tool in giving a powerful presentation. Preparedness provides you with the ability to be ready when the unexpected happens, or when you are called upon to speak up or give a presentation. What to do when you're on the spot. Regardless of the situation, things are guaranteed to happen, and not always according to plan. Irrespective of the presentation venue, 4 actions can help you convert an interruption into an opportunity. Always expect the unexpected. At the beginning of the program, work the audience to pre-frame them, to create a mindset. Through light remarks, humor, or other responses based on your read of the group, leads them to make commitments to be playful, curious, flexible, and energized. Create several positive anchors that you can use later. An anchor is something unique that you do or say that automatically puts the audience in a resourceful or emotional state. Examples include a unique smile, specific place where you stand, the word yes in a strong voice. If something unexpected happens, first smile, and then quickly ask yourself, how can I turn this event into an opportunity to create humor or illustrate a point? Using STAR to make your case. STAR is an acronym that stands for situation or task, thoughts and feelings, actions, results. The STAR model helps you deal with recurring problem situations such as repeated mental blocks or anxieties stemming from interpersonal situations. Using the 4 points of a star as the visual representation, the STAR model prompts questions that allow you to analyze the aspects of a problem situation and turn it around.